Good afternoon and welcome to the planning briefing for Thursday, November 17th. This is going to include the beginning of the travel period for Thanksgiving. So, some key points. Valley stratus, strong valley inversions through Monday morning. They're going to be very cold mornings, and it's going to depend on the extent of the stratus clouds where the really cold temperatures develop. Some freezing fog is also possible in some locations. By Monday, as early as Monday afternoon and evening, light snow from the mountains, very low confidence. Tuesday and Wednesday is the most likely period for snow. Low-end atmospheric river. Periods of moderate snow are possible Tuesday overnight into Wednesday. Medium confidence on the snow happening, low confidence on snow totals. Winds increasing Tuesday night with blowing snow at the mountain passes, and some valley downsloping will begin by Wednesday morning. And then Thanksgiving, very low confidence, but there is a potential travel impact with mountain snows and valley rains. There's a wide range of model outcomes for Thanksgiving. Starting with those valley cold pools through Monday, western Montana is going to have some very cold temperatures with widespread below zero overnight lows Friday and Saturday mornings. -10 to -20 along the Continental Divide. But add in Elk City in those and some of those higher valleys in north central Idaho, and Lemhi County with the fresh snow could be a couple degrees below zero. It's going to be quite cold, and some strong valley inversions developing there. The other thing to think about is where low stratus develops. Low stratus are those low clouds. It acts like a blanket, so it's going to moderate those overnight lows. And the most likely location is going to be northwest Montana. Freezing fog could also develop. Look for low visibility during the mornings and some slick spots, especially on bridges. Be careful if you're driving and you see freezing fog. Mountain snow as early as Monday night. This graphic over here, you're seeing 1 inch to 2 inches possible, but it's very low confidence. We threw it on here because it could impact early travel for Thanksgiving, but very low confidence that it will actually happen. Very light in nature, isolated slick spots over mountain passes. Then this is probably the main event for snow. Tuesday into Wednesday, a low-end atmospheric river. There is high variability in the models, and that's why I have a high-end graphic and a low-end graphic on the right. Tuesday night will be the highest travel impacts, and I'm going to show a graphic on that in a second. But this might be hard to see, but you're looking at 8 to 9 inches over Lookout Pass, 8 to 9 inches over Lolo Pass, and then down here at Whitebird Hill about 4 to 5 inches, and also 8 to 9 inches at Marias Pass. Basically, the highest snow totals will go through north central Idaho, into western Montana, and out through Glacier National Park. That'll be the general trajectory of the precipitation. But it's important to note, both of these graphics have equal chances of happening, so we have to talk about the low end amounts. There may only be 1 inch or 2 at the mountain passes when this thing is all said and done, simply because there's a lot of variability within the models. Let's let this loop back around. And here we are Monday night with that potential for some light snow in the mountains, but then Tuesday night and Wednesday you saw that brief period of snow. It could be moderate at times. Friday and Saturday, cold. You're looking at -10 to -20 along the Continental Divide, high elevation valleys in north central Idaho, Elk City and other locations like that. In Lemhi County in Idaho could be in the single digits below zero because of that fresh snow. Sunday, minimal impacts due to weather, and then Monday we might have that light mountain snow. Very low confidence on that. Moderate impacts for northwest Montana and north central Idaho for snow and wind, and that'll be the overnight period into Wednesday. And then low impacts for snow at all elevations elsewhere. Southwest Montana will have the least amount of snow, northwest Montana and north central Idaho the most amount of snow. All right, our next briefing will be Sunday, November 20th. We should have a better idea of which direction this atmospheric river is going. Have a great day. Thank you for coming.